In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators in Replit. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and search for Replit. When the results load, make sure you click the official Replit website so you're on the right page. It's always a good idea to bookmark the site once you're in so you can get back to your projects faster next time. On the homepage, look for the login option. Give that a click. Replit supports multiple sign-in methods, so choose the one that fits your setup. Continue with Google or use your email and password. If you already have projects under a specific account, make sure you sign in with that same account so everything is where you expect it to be. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your hub for all your work. Find the Repl, the project you want to collaborate on, and open it. If you have a lot of projects, the search bar or any pinned or recent items can help you locate the right one quickly. Opening the Repl takes you into the editor view where you can code, run, and manage settings. Now look toward the top of the editor for the invite button. It typically appears as a small plus icon near the publish icon. Click it to open the invite panel. If your browser window is narrow, the icon might be tucked into a menu, so maximize the window if you don't see it right away. In the invite panel, you'll see a field where you can type the username or email of the person you want to add. Start entering their details carefully to avoid typos. As you type, Replit will suggest matching users. When you see the correct person in the dropdown, select their name to send a direct invitation. They'll receive a notification and, depending on their settings, possibly an email as well. Once they accept, they'll be able to collaborate with you in real time inside the Repl. This is great for pair programming, reviewing code, or dividing tasks. If you prefer another option, stay in the same invite panel and look for the private join link. This link provides access to your project without needing to search for a specific username. It's especially handy when you're working with someone new or coordinating with a team. Click Copy Link, then share it securely with your teammate through your usual communication channel. Remind them to open the link while logged into their Replit account. Because it's a private link, keep it within your team to maintain project security. And that's it. Open Replit, log in, open your project, invite by username or email, or share the private join link. You're ready to collaborate smoothly and build together.